Looking for a powerful large-format 3D printer with serious speed? Meet the Creality Ender 5 Max. With a massive 400 by 400 by 400 millimeter build volume, this printer is built for big projects, batch production, and professional workflows. But size isn't the only highlight. The Ender 5 Max reaches speeds of up to 700 millimeters per second, helping you complete large prints much faster without sacrificing quality. The 64-point auto-leveling system ensures precise bed calibration, improving first-layer success and overall print reliability. Built with an all-metal frame, this printer delivers excellent stability, even during high-speed printing. It also features a dual-gear extruder, providing smooth filament feeding and consistent results across different materials. Another powerful feature is multi-printer control over WLAN, allowing you to manage multiple machines remotely, perfect for workshops, businesses, or print farms. If you're looking for a fast, large, and professional-grade 3D printer, the Creality Ender 5 Max is definitely worth your attention. Check the link in the description for more details.